Okay, so Cathy saved 40% less than Diana. Diana saved 60% less than Eileen. Express Cathy's savings as a percentage of Eileen's savings. Of sum 1, so Eileen will be 100%. So now we reverse engineer. So we have Cathy, we have Diana, we have Eileen. Eileen is 100%. So Diana saves 60% less than Eileen. So less means the number is smaller. So we will just subtract. Now next is a tricky part. Cathy saved 40% less than Diana, which means that Cathy only saved 60% of whatever Diana had. So it's 60% of what Diana had. Diana had 40%, so it times 40%. So like I said, this 60% comes from 100% minus this 40%. Because Cathy saved 40% less than Diana, which means that Cathy saved 60% of whatever Diana has. Okay, so we never learned percentage times percentage, but what we did learn is fraction times fraction. So we just have to express the percentage as a fraction, then everything works out fine. So 60%, I hope remember it's 60 over 100. 40% is 40 over 100. So now we can simplify things. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3, 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. 4 divided by 2 gives you 2, 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. So now top times top, 3 times 2, bottom times bottom. So you get 6 over 25. Then you just have to express this as a percentage. So you just have to times 100%. So this can be simplified. 25 divided by 25 gives you 1. 100 divided by 25 gives you 4. So you can also simplify slowly if you can't see that it's divisible by 25. So you can rewrite it. So both are divisible by 5, right? So 25 divided by 5 gives you 5. 100 divided by 5 gives you 20. Then 5 divided by 5 gives you 1. 20 divided by 5 gives you 4. So now you have 6 times 4, which is 24%. And hence the answer is 24%.